What a beautiful, beautiful day. Wouldn't you agree?
Well, yeah. It's what, about in the low 60s?
Mm-hmm.
January 2nd?
Yes.
New year, 2021. May be better than the last. Anyway.
Yeah.
So, we have a little building project going on. We're replacing the greenhouse. The lean-to greenhouse in our garage. It was a metal and fiberglass greenhouse. And the fiberglass had deteriorated on us for the second time. So we decided that we needed more wood storage near what's going to be our eventual wood shop. We're going to turn our garage, at least the bottom half of the garage, into a wood shop. And so we're going to need wood storage. Right now we're at the stage where we need purlins because we're getting ready to stick the Tough Tex roof on it. So we're going to need some purlins to run across the top of the rafters. And so that's what we're doing today. Seeing how many purlins we can get. And we're going to be cutting 1x4s. Alright, so this thing's been on the ground for about a year. As is like most of my logs. So we got about 11 inches on this end. Fat end really don't matter that much, but it is definitely fatter down there. I want to say this guy's yeah, 13 foot. So we should be able to get some good purlins out of this thing. really clear. Go make some nice purlins. Looks like this is a reasonably decent stick. I should get quite a few one-bys out of this. Now, these one-bys are supposed to be like 3/4 by 3.5. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut them at like 7/8. I mean, they could shrink 1/4, you know, and just go ahead and cut them 1/4, but I don't know.
Think of it now. But every time you say the word Purlins, because you and your bluegrass music, all I can hear is Pearl, Pearl, Pearl. Is it by Earl?
Pearl, Pearl, don't give your love to Earl.
God. Is it a wormier? But I can't think of what it's called.
That's hilarious.
Yeah.
Anyway, don't give your love to Lester Flatt. He greases hair with possum fat.
Oh God.
Be my darling Pearl.
That's what's going through my head every single time you say that.
Whenever I say purlins, you just think of Pearl, Pearl, Pearl. Before, it's like, how do you know how low you can go without hitting something? And if you poke your camera over here, you see the this is the
Clamp.
There you go. And what you want to do is you want to feel, if you can feel the clamp underneath the board right here, you won't hit it if you stay above the red arc on the tape up there, which is 1 inch, right? And then you want to make sure that these are all the way down. So if these are all the way down, the dogs, and you can feel the clamp right here, you're not going to hit it. So you can go down to 1 inch. So if you're when you're milling, if you can feel, if you can rub your finger across the bottom of the log, of the cant, and you can feel the edge of the clamp, you won't hit it as long as you stay above the red zone on the tape, on the measuring tape on the mill head. And so that means I'm free to go down to about 1 inch. Now also in the dogs on this side, they got to be all the way down. So I'm going to finish cutting this, and I'm going to flip them on their sides. I'm going to cut this thing in half. It's going to get me 3.5. Neighbor's out there practicing his assault tactics with his weapons, and
that means Hannah's ready to go inside.
Our dog is scared to death.
Yeah.
All right.
Ready to go.